Today home tour, I am going to show you a 7 plus study apartment in the heart of Newton. Hi, I'm Leong from OrangeTee and Thai AAG division. Here we are at this 4478 7 plus study huge apartment. On my left actually is the 2,300 square feet 4 bedrooms apartment, and on my right is the 3 plus study 2,200 square feet apartment. Now, by sheer chance and opportunity, my owner has been able to amalgamate these two units to combine into one huge living 7 bedroom apartment for their family member to stay and enjoy all the space around. Rochelle at Newton is a 9-year-old development, consists of 129 units, including 2, 3, 4 and penthouses in this development. The location is excellent with only 7 minutes walk to Newton MRT station, which is also an interchange station for the red and the blue line. And on top of that, similar time approach about 7 minutes to United Square, Novena MRT station, or Velocity Mall for family daily shopping needs as well. With such a huge space, the possibility to design in this apartment is endless. Now, what happened is for the extended family or the multi-generation family coming together staying in this apartment, they were able to retreat to their own privacy into their own respective bedrooms, and yet also to their own kitchen to cook up a storm whenever they feel like it as well. Now, on top of that, if the family were to come for a family multi-generation gathering, this hall size can bring out the joy to every one of them as well. Another possibility to design is to convert this 7 plus study into 5 huge bedrooms by knocking down some of the walls. Coming to price analysis, the best comparison currently I can find from today's market is actually a unit at Trilight, a penthouse 4 bedroom 5,800 square feet, going at the rate of $14.5 million. For this particular unit that we are home tour today is only selling at 7.8 million, in which is going almost 50% cheaper than the nearest comparison now. We have come to the end of the home tour. Thank you for watching. If you are keen to view this 4478 7 plus study apartment at Rochelle at Newton, call me at 9387-6506. I'm Leong, OrangeTee and Thai AAG division.
AAG, the #1 top division in orange tea and Thai.